All right, so I've never made Coquito before, and one of the anchors asked me to make it. Anilda, that's it. She had asked me to make it. I only have, this is a, I guess this is a relatively small blender. So I'm probably going to make two small batches. Like I said, I've never made this before. And I'm just going by what I've seen on YouTube a couple times. I got a pot of water on the stove over here. I'm going to do a double broiler. So let me back up. So this is what's been known as the tea, and what's in this tea is basically, I boiled this. This is cinnamon. This is star anise, and a bunch of cloves. So I boiled all this in 2 cups of water. So this recipe is basically 2 of everything, and including making it in 2 parts. So what we're going to have here is condensed milk. This is the sweetness. We're going to have cream of coconut. We're going to have evaporated milk, and we're going to have coconut milk. So, like I said, I'm doing this in 2 batches. I'm going to use egg in mine. I don't know if everybody uses eggs in theirs. Coquito is like a Puerto Rican eggnog or Spanish eggnog. I don't want to limit it to just one Spanish group. So what I'm going to do here is I open the evaporated milk. I'm going to put the evaporated milk, I'm going to put it in a bowl. I've got, like I said, a bowl of, a pot of water over here. We're going to warm this up. Yes, my hands are clean. 1 of the 2 eggs that I have in here. I'm sorry, not eggs, just egg yolks. 1 of the 2 egg yolks. I'm just going to whisk this around a little bit. We don't want to add it when it's too hot because then it'll scramble. And we don't want that. Alright, so I'm going to add the egg. I'll make sure I get all of it. So the egg is in the evaporated milk over a double boiler. Let me give that a second. All right, this is about 1 cup or about 8 ounces. Sweetened condensed milk. If you ever wanted to try a good tea, put some cardamom in some of this stuff, and then put it in your tea, or even your coffee for that matter. This is 1 can evaporated milk with 1 egg. This is the cream of coconut. And I hope I have enough room. Ah! Let's do this. It's gonna be a mess. Fudge. So I think what I'm going to have to do, mix it all by hand. Again, double broiler. The egg goes into the evaporated milk. We're going to heat that up so the egg gets cooked. Next time I do this, I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to blend all the harder stuff. And then do it by hand. I got everything combined for the most part. Almost got the other tea. Put that in. A little bit of vanilla. That's about a tablespoon of vanilla. The main ingredient. I am clueless. I don't know. What do you think? That much rum? Is that too much? This is the amount of rum that I'm adding to this. I don't drink, so I'm clueless. All right, I'm just gonna add all that rum. Actually, it doesn't seem like a lot. Shot glass. No, I think more. I started with a whole bottle. glass. I don't know, I want to say more rum. I'm just going to do a little bit more. And I believe that's going to be it. Definitely a sweet. Yeah. All right. Now, I'm assuming that this gets refrigerated. So I got a couple bottles. I probably need more. So I think that's all I'm gonna do. You got a couple mason jars over there that it should fit. Now, as you can see, we'll just go over what I did. Okay. So 2 cans of coconut milk, 2 cans of evaporated milk, 2 cans cream of coconut, and 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. So it's 2 of everything. I used 2 cups of water to make a tea. That's what I used. Cinnamon, cloves, and star anise. Brought that to a boil for a while and let it steep. Used a double broiler. Put a can of evaporated milk, 1 egg. Tempered that up until about 160 degrees. And then half-assly mixed everything together. Used probably too much rum, but it's the holidays. You're supposed to get through it drunk. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you. Bye.